The underlying trend in NWGL stock is a strongly bullish one. It printed an intraday high of 6.76 on Wednesday, the 18th. In the pre-market session of today, the 20th, it is down 50.27%. We haven't found any news. If you didn't know, this company is based in Macau. It's into wood manufacture and sale of wood products. The company operates business through two segments: the direct purchase and on the original design manufacture segment, and is engaged in the sourcing of live wood and owning designed design on wood products for sales to end customers, amongst other things. So we haven't found any news. It was most certainly clearly pumped to those sort of levels. It printed. We saw that 6.76, 6.76. That is not its all-time high. The stock has also not been around for some. It hasn't been around long enough. We have highs of around $19 or thereabouts as of March. Since giving up all of those, let's have a look at the. Yeah, you can see some metrics here. 1 year, 191.71%. 6 months, 328.14%. Last one, I mean, 1 month is 247.53%. Let's see whether we can find shares outstanding 16.55. We'll see whether we can find what the float is. So it is okay. Let me show you graphically on this daily chart. There isn't a clear trend because it hasn't been around. There are no extrapolations. It hasn't been around long enough. Yeah, it's not. This is the 200 period moving average. It has just started to form, I believe. Yeah, it has just started to form. So it's a bearish one. It's a bullish one rather. It's not so clear. I need to magnify this. Let me see. Um, yeah, it's you can see that it's clearly sloping steeply upwards, strongly bullish. So it looks like a stock that has been pumped. It may experience yet more pumps. Let's have a look at the. Let's see whether we can find a float. NWGL. Okay, float is at approximately 19 points. Okay, float is higher than this looks wrong. Let's see. Let's see what we have here on the. There's no figure here. Yeah, there's no figure here, so it's. I think yeah, but there's yeah. Well, in any case, it is clearly a stock that may have been pumped. It may have been pumped, and naturally, this is what you expect. A pullback has occurred. You know, so what do we have in terms of projections? We have a down projection of 1.74. Yeah, let's look at the 4-hour chart and see. On the 4-hour chart, what do we have? We have a sharp decline is extrapolated, and that is exactly what is going on. We have 2.73. It's a down projection. Let's look at the 3-hour chart. Pull back as well, and a sharp rebound, and then a continued decline. Yeah, same as well. Sharp decline and then rebound and then further decline. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Yeah, same as well. Cycling a distributive contraction. We have an upper projection of 5.63 and 3.92. On the 1 minute chart, we have down projections 2.92. We have down projections as well on this 5 minute chart. Let's look at the market grid for the stock. That might give us an idea of how things are. It may give us an indication if it has presented a buying opportunity. Okay, it's at 2.74 now. So it's at 2.74. So it's just close to its buy. It's about to signal a buy. It's about to signal a buy. Yeah. So it doesn't mean you should buy. It doesn't mean you should buy. So a buy looks like it's a buy opportunity looks like it's opening up. It has opened up, but it's has continued to open up. However, there are a lot of left to me. There are a lot of skepticism about this sort of stocks. You have to. There are a lot of skepticism towards them. So you don't exactly know if there's going to be a further rock pool. There's whether it's going to decay further. So we have the extrapolations not indicating any not anything of such. We have in a very short time we have a bottom here of 2.94. It has already traded below that, but this is for Monday the 20th, the 30th of June. So a buying opportunity has technically opened up, but it has nothing to do with manipulate what manipulators will do. The manipulators may decide to continue to draw down the stock and trade it, bring it down lower. Let's see what's going on in the markets. So this is the buy side. Let's see whether. Okay, let's see. Confirm the volume so far in this session. Okay, 143,052, 500, 143,520 shares have crossed the tape so far. Liquidity is quite poor, but this is a pre-market session. It won't be out of place if it's poor like that. That's not many participants can trade the stock. So buying opportunity has opened up, but you have to be careful. You have to be careful. You really have to be careful. Caution is warranted, So you could still refer to these resistance values as possible upper projections. 7.07, 6.52, 5.9, 5.28, 4.14, 3.56, even 2.94. But fundamentally, I have no knowledge of this company, and this most certainly not the sort of companies you should invest in. It's a sort of company, if you know how you're going to treat it, yes, you make the most of it, but it's not an investment grade stock. So see what you make of NWGL, and thank you very much for watching this video.